Hi, my little nation. So, I am going to be testing out this. If you guys don't know what this is the world's first ever liquid liner for the lash line. Yeah, and of course, leave it to Kat Von D to come up with this brilliant idea. When I was checking out at Sephora, the two girls that were working on front counter were like, girl, you are brave. I am scared as shit to try this out in my eye. And the other woman just agreed with her. Was like, yeah, I'm absolutely terrified of that product. I don't know why there's so much fear going around. People are like, oh, I don't know why, but I'm explaining it to you. You gotta love me. Okay, so people are afraid they're gonna poke their eye out, or they're gonna look like they have black sclera lenses. If you don't know what that is, you can Google that. But basically, they're afraid of their eyes going all black around there, kind of like poking your eye with mascara. You know what I mean? But I don't think Kat Von D would ever put out a product that she believes is unsafe for you. All of her products are vegan and cruelty free and absolutely fucking amazing. They're super pigmented. And when I saw this, my first reaction was not, oh, that's scary. I was like, I have to have it. Is there more colors coming soon? I would like a white one, a red one, a blue one, like a purple. I want all the colors. I believe that this is actually not as scary as people are thinking it might be. Oh, okay. The wand looks like this. I'll show you guys up close. So it's just, you know what this reminds me of? Hold on. Brow Shake by Rimmel London. This actually like a powder. But you see how the wands are like super similar. Obviously Kat Von D's wand is a lot bigger, longer, I mean, but it's very similar to this. You know? This I got for like $4 from Ulta just because it was on sale, but I don't know like the real price. But obviously she's killing the package once again. Like the packaging is stunning. So I am going to test this out like right now. Take the brush and I'm just going to, I feel like this is not one of the products you can just glide on your waterline. I feel like it's better if you press it on. So I'm going to pull down. Okay, just stamp it on. It's not even difficult. Okay. That is really pretty. Okay, so I started by stamping it on and then I just started dragging it along my lash line, but look at the difference. And also I do have contacts on and I was not once afraid. My hands were not shaky. And look at this eye compared to this eye. I mean, it's popping. I love this. This is a great idea. I really do love it. It's actually pretty fast too. Like it doesn't take like a while for it to dry down or anything. I didn't have to wait, which is awesome. So I'm gonna try it again on this eye. At first, okay, so the real tea is I did not see any like patchiness going on with this. I really love the formula. I don't know what she did to actually make this so it does not run. Yeah, no black spots in my eyes. Like my eyeballs, my actual eyeballs, there's no black spots. So for those of you guys who are afraid of like poking your eye or something like that, maybe, you know, just go a little slow with your application at first. I just went straight in and did it. I feel like not a lot of people can do that because they are afraid of poking their eye or doing something like that. But I'm here to make this video short and sweet. I absolutely adore this product. I love it so much. It's $22. They last a while. They're really, really great quality. You're paying for quality here. So if you're like, oh, I can just buy like a $2 thing for my waterline at the dollar store or something like that. Yes, but also you're paying for the name, Kat Von D. paying for the packaging, which she does by hand herself. So, and she puts lots of love, lots of time, lots of patience, and lots of everything into these products to make sure that it is the best for us. But other than that, like I said, absolutely love it, 100% recommend it. It looks beautiful on the eyes, it has a really nice finish. You couldn't even like tell if this was a liquid or a pencil. Like, it looks stunning, flawless, perfect. Thank you, Kat Von D, for blessing the world with our first liquid liner for the lash line. Thank you so much. I love it. Hopefully there are more colors to come. Let me know. PR list. I'm just joking. I'm not no one's PR list. No one knows who I am. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this review, and hopefully you guys agree with some of the stuff I said. If you guys are one of those people who actually do not like this product, please don't leave a thumbs down. Just tell me your experience down in the comments below, and I'll look through them and I'll try responding to everyone. Alright, love you. Bye.